Now, before you start on your guided inquiry worksheet, let us just have a brief introduction of what amino acids are. So amino acids are monomers that make up proteins. Each amino acid has the same fundamental structure, which consists of a central carbon atom, also known as the alpha carbon, which is bonded to an amino group, the NH2 group, and a carboxyl group, and also a hydrogen atom. So the reason why these are called amino acids is because we have an amino group with a carboxylic acid group. So the combination of these two will result in amino acid. The R group or side chain will differ, and this difference in the R group actually make up the different amino acids. So there are actually 20 naturally occurring amino acids shown on page 100 of your notes. You can have a look at them later. So what makes them different is actually the R group that is differing. This fundamental structure with the amino group, the alpha carbon, hydrogen, and also your carboxyl group is actually the same for all amino acids. If you're sharp enough, you have realized that this alpha carbon is actually a chiral carbon, as long as the R group side chain is not a hydrogen. Okay, so this is an extra exercise for you to try it now. So you pause the video and try it yourself. Which of the following are actually considered as alpha amino acids? Okay, so first of all, you identify the amino group and your carboxyl group. Next thing is to check if they are on the same, or if they are attached to the same alpha central carbon atom. So for this case, they are both attached to the same one. So yes, this is an amino group and this is actually called glycine. For the second option, this is not an amino acid because the amino group is not attached to the alpha carbon but attached to the carbon away from the alpha carbon, which is actually called the beta carbon. And lastly, for this one, both the amino and the carboxyl group are attached to the same alpha central carbon. What differs is the R group over here. So yes, this is an amino acid and this is actually glutamic acid.